TheCuberCubes here, and today we have a spicy unboxing from TheCuberCube shop. In here is the X-Men Spark 7x7, if you can read the title. So yeah, let's get right into it. So I guess you could also do this, so yeah. So in here, we have a receipt, the X-Men Spark 7x7, which is probably going to be my main because I lost my Ouija, and some Martians because I need fast lane because I ran out of Cube Depot set. So let's throw this away and get right into the puzzle. So the box looks great because people want to show off with boxes these days. And drop, and you go like, this is so hard to open. I guess this is just useless. Here we have this thing. I think it's a Rubik's Cube. I'm not sure what this is. Here we have this plastic thing and no extra magnets. I'm sad. Oh, but this is a really nice pamphlet. I was excited for the, yeah. I don't like pamphlets and nothing else. No extra magnets. I'm kind of disappointed. So this cube is like freezing because if you didn't know, I was on vacation and so it was here for like freezing for like 3 days. So I tried Max Parks, which is the world record cube. First turns, I guess. Okay, so this is better than like any 7x7 I've ever tried, other than like maybe the Haze M. So this cube is like right out of the box. It's really cold though. It turns well. I feel like the corner cutting isn't as good as the Haze, and it feels a little bit more stiff. Max likes it, but I don't know if I actually like. It's a good 7x7, so yeah. So it's pretty good though. All layers turn pretty even. Corner cutting, decent. Yeah. Out of the box, it's a good cube. I'm gonna set it up though. So if ceiling really sandy, even though you can feel some factory lube in there, the cube feels like really sandy. It's weird because the magnets are really strong here, and they're really light here, and then they're medium here. So it doesn't go like size-wise, so it's kind of weird. So yeah, out of the box, 303 stage flows really well. The size, it could be a little bit smaller. The problem with making a smaller 7x7 is that then the layers would be like extremely hard to turn. Because if you look at it really closely, like these are already super tiny, and if you make it even tinier, they're gonna get to the point where they're like literally even hard to grip. So yeah, it's a really good 7x7. I want to check out corner cutting in the inner layers. I haven't gotten one lockup yet, so that's very good. This layers, yeah, everything looks like, to be honest, this cube like is very good out of the box. I really want to get into 7x7 because my official results are like doo-doo. So I bought this cube since I lost my Ouija. So yeah, this cube is very good. I feel like it's gonna improve my times though. It's not very. This cube is good, but my camera isn't right now. So yeah, pretty good out of the box. I'm gonna be doing some first impressions now. So yeah, I'll see you guys. I'm gonna be starting this up. So yeah, I'll see you guys now. So what are my thoughts on this puzzle? First, let's get this straight up. This cube is amazing. This is my first magnetic 7x7, and that completes my lineup of 2 through 7 being magnetic. To be honest, I don't think I really needed to get this cube to improve my 7x7 times, though after I lost my Ouija, and I really wanted to get a 7x7 because I really like 5x5 and 6x6, I realized that why not buy it, and I think it was a worth it buy. The cube is smooth, sandy, controllable, and after looting with Martian, loosening the tensions a tad bit, so this cube does not lock up at all, is controllable, stable, and the outer layers turn amazingly. You can hear the turning here. As you can see, this puzzle is very quiet. I literally just used it for my whole family, and they literally didn't notice. It's a really good cube. It's smooth, controllable, and it fits my turning style very, very well. I love the primary internals, giving the cube such an interesting feel, similar to the MGC3x3. Overall, this cube is worth it, and I will be making a review on it as soon as I think I get enough experience with it. I think I'm going to actually be getting the 7x7 now, which is great, because I think right now it's one of my worst events. And guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you really want any more details, comment down below because I would be happy to answer this question. And if you're wondering, 100% buy this cube if you have the money. If you want to buy the Alpha GTS just because you need to save up some money, go ahead and do it. So if you have the money, buy Max Parks main, the X-Men Spark 7x7. I really hope you guys enjoyed. And if it's like subscribe my videos. And big thanks to Speedy Shop for sending me this puzzle. I did pay for it full price. So the shipping was great and it got here on time and early. And hope you enjoyed. Share this video if you liked it. And as always, keep your cubes out.